guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look. I used a lot of goodies that a beautiful, sweet subscriber, Deborah, sent me. She has quickly become one of my friends. So thank you, Deborah, for all the items you sent. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's jump right into this makeup tutorial. So one of the items Deborah sent over is the Wolf & Pine Juicy Melons Hydrating Mist. I've been using this every single day. It leaves me feeling so refreshed and it leaves me with a nice glow. So I've been loving this, and plus they are a Canadian company. How cute is my new coffee mug? Oh my god, I freaking love it. If you guys are interested in one of these coffee mugs, I will have all the info down below. Thank you, Deborah, so much for sending me this. I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to be going in with my Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer and just prepping my eyelids and getting them ready for my eyeshadows. So I'm just going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Palette, the original one, and I'm just taking the shade Butter and I'm just popping that into my crease and just really blending that out. Then I'm just taking the shade Chip, which is like a reddish brown, and I'm just going to be focusing that on the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm going to try to keep it a little bit low and not bringing it all the way up, and I'm just going to build it up until I'm happy with the darkness. Then I'm just taking Butter again on the first brush that I used, and I'm just blending all that out just so there's no harsh lines and it all looks nice and seamless. So on my finger, I'm just going to be taking the shade Meeks, and I'm just going to be applying it on half of my eyelid, and I like using my fingers for shimmery shades. I just find the warmness of my finger really melts it onto the lid a little bit better. Excuse me. So the lovely Deborah also sent over this eyeshadow Shimma from Makeup Geek, and I'm just using that to highlight my brow bone, and then I'm also going to take it and apply it over top of Meeks, and yeah, just to give it a nice pop of shimmer. To create a wing, I'm just using this dark green shade called Enchanted, and I'm just taking that on an angled brush and using that to create my wing. And isn't this so satisfying? This is probably one of my favorite parts, is just removing the tape and seeing that nice crisp line. I love it. Okay, so these lashes, you can purchase them on my website. I will leave it down below, and these are in the style Wifey. And I'm just going to be taking the Ordinary's High Spreadability Primer. I am so in love with this primer. It works so well and it leaves my makeup just looking flawless. I love it. And then I'm just taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I am in the shade Golden Beige. This is the dewy one, and I'm just applying that all over. And then I'm just going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray before blending that in with my sponge, and I just have been loving the way my foundation looks when I do this. So for concealer, I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Instant Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and I'm just going to pop that underneath my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, my chin. And I've been really enjoying this concealer as well. It's an OG favorite. Just to give myself a sun-kissed look, I'm just going to be taking this Milani Baked Bronzer and just applying that all over my face. And then I'm just going to go in with Mocha and just finish up my eyes and pop on some mascara as well. So to bronze up my face, I'm just going to be taking the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in Suntan. This has quickly become one of my holy grail bronzers. It works so well, it's so buttery, and it doesn't leave me looking orange or streaky. It's just a beautiful bronzer, and I definitely recommend it, and it's super affordable. And as usual for blush, I'm just taking the Milani Baked Blush in Dolce Pink. I still haven't purchased a new blush. I will have a new blush in my next video. Maybe. And my beautiful friend Deborah sent over this Confident Glow Illuminating Highlighter. This is stunning. I put way too much on, as you will see. It's so buttery. I am in love with it. It just glided on so smoothly, and look at that highlight. Wow. Onto lipstick now. She also sent over this Per Barbie Innovator lipstick. I had no idea how to open it when I first got it, but you just press down on the top and then it just pops out. This shade is stunning, so beautiful. It's so springy and colorful. I love it. And then I just added this silky, velvety, moussey kind of liquid lipstick on top. And yeah, I just love the combo. I think it turned out really pretty. And then to set everything, I'm just going to use my all-nighter spray as usual. This is my #1 all-time favorite setting spray. It works amazing. I forgot to highlight my inner corner, so I'm just taking that highlighter again and just highlighting my inner corners. And then I am all finished with this look. Thank you so much, Deborah, for sending me all these goodies. I appreciate it so much. If you guys want to check out her Instagram, I will have her info down below. Please go say hi and tell her I sent you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.